medicine? Not that. I'm talking about like.
Oh, I brought Pepto. I already drank Pepto Bismol
Okay.
and shit.
Smart.
All right, man. Well, you know, we're gonna be right here at the Chicken Shack ESPN Radio Challenge. We're just gonna power through it. Just gonna keep.
What's your time gonna be? Under 10 minutes?
Man, definitely under 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna knock it out in 2 minutes. Mark that.
We're here at the Chicken Shack Challenge, ready to take this thing down. I'm a notoriously slow eater, but I'm gonna do my best.
Chicken Shack. Damn, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. More than...
What units are we talking?
Millions.
Millions?
Hundreds of millions.
Habanero, ghost pepper.
Who knows? It could be a mixture of everything.
Like the worst thing that you see in this competition.
The funniest thing is just people dying. How many people have died?
0 so far, but you're signing a release form.
We're signing a form.
Go, dude.
We're signing the release form.
We're supposed to have one more contestant.
Yeah, how many contestants total? 4. I like our
You guys better win.
chances. I like our chances.
You guys better win.
Winner gets the crown.
This is the winner gets the chili as a trophy, these, and I'll probably give you the crown.
Oh,
We got the
go.
Pippin.
Winner gets
Wait, so you
Pippin,
get this? Dang, dude. Okay, that's what's up.
We've been training hard for this. We've been microdosing hot one sauces all week.
Get the sign in the
Been
background right
looking
there,
up
dude.
YouTube eating challenges. Shout out Matt Stoney. Kiss, what's your prediction now that you're in the contest?
Ethan's doing 2 minutes. I'm going to do like around 2 minutes. Yeah. I like to eat it and let it set in and like kind of talk about it.
I'm going for
yeah.
speed, dude. I'm going for speed.
Yeah.
We're getting that first prize right there. We're getting that first prize.
For me, I just like to enjoy it. Yeah. Sometimes.
He loves the pain.
Hey, you like that one?
What's the water?
Yeah.
You guys have tea from the Amazon?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, they're making them right now, so we'll go here.
Oh, they're gonna be fresh.
Are they gonna be really hot too? Like
Yeah.
got a secret weapon. Let's get this going.
And so, your name is?
Well, Kissinger.
Kissinger.
My name's Ethan. They didn't have my Hawaiian water imported.
No, did they give you the hat or did you find a hat?
A homeless person gave it to me. So I mean,
Assuming everybody got their drinks,
here's this right here. I'm homeless.
did anybody go anything other than water?
Brought the secret weapon?
Yeah.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Dew. Oh my
And he has
goodness.
the napkins. 8 wings, 10 minutes. This is a hot wing challenge brought to you by Chicken Shack and of course 1430 ESPN as well. So are you guys ready?
Yes, go SPN.
Ready?
All right. So on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. And it has begun, so it's going to be interesting to see how this is going
Oh,
to
that's
go.
hot. Oh, no.
All right, we gave you guys. And my man over there is demolishing him, by the way. I just got to announce. He is taking the.
Oh man.
I'm a naturally slow eater.
Here. Slow eater over here. Because they're meaty wings.
Not a great day to have your nails done.
Yeah. It's going to be an interesting point here. My man is going. I love it. You're gonna feel something else later too.
You have to clean them though, right, Gonzo? You gotta clean them,
You
right?
gotta clean them. You can't continue.
Oh, God.
No, not a quitter. All right. I don't know what's happening.
Oh!
If you stop, it gets worse. If you stop, it gets
Oh, it's
worse.
right on my nose.
In your nose.
No, it was a bad idea.
Nobody touch your eyes.
Chef has no technique. Just go in.
None.
Yeah.
He is ripping them to shreds.
I also have a lot on the ground, by the way. Are these rearranged chickens?
I'm not gonna be
4 minutes in.
My left nostril starting to coagulate. I can't even smell anything.
Yeah, get on there, right there.
Reminds me of that one year.
I think my nose is bleeding!
There's still bone marrow in there.
There's bone marrow. There's a lot of marrow.
Quietly, Kissinger is well over here. By the way, I didn't even look at the man who's standing next to
The
me.
kiss is with?
He cleaned the bowl.
You gotta get that those scraps on the plate too, right?
Yeah, you got him up with like, come on.
What's the official ruling, gentlemen? Not a blue.
How much time is left?
We're good?
6 minutes.
Oh, just making it work.
In, so 2 minutes
I
left.
was like, Johnny.
Should we have a wing on? Is it a tie?
Oh, don't show you.
By the way, I'm very impressed. She quietly
I don't know, what do you
brought
think?
4, 5.
I mean, yeah, respect.
Right here.
Oh, come on.
And he used 2 napkins.
How you feeling about that? Did you get robbed?
I got absolutely robbed. But
It was a photo finish.
Yeah, I guess-
Split decision.
they don't like pigs around here, so. Yeah, see, he gets me.
How you feeling on a Scoville unit? How hot was it?
I'm feeling fabulous, you know. This place is actually, it's not even that good. If I won, it would have been amazing, you know. But, you know. Yeah, I'm not actually happy. If I would have won, I'd been happy, but I'm not happy.